In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make high ticket commissions up to like anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 commissions and make up to $20,000 and even $30,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing, working from home, making money online, promoting other people's products, and you don't have to worry about the commissions. Basically, you generate that sale and you just have to drive that traffic, and whenever a sale has been generated, you get paid commission from the company directly into your bank account. And how you can go from zero as a beginner, as a newbie, and making anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 per month from the internet. Now, if before I dive into this video, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get all my video notifications straight to your inbox. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave a comment for me. I'm here to help you. I want to show you what's working right now in this current moment. Okay, so it's very, very simple, my friend. Whenever you want to promote other people's products online, you have to first of all you have to join these affiliate programs. You get started with Clickbank, Warrior Plus, Store 24, etc. And once you have joined a program, then you have to take it step by step. It's not just going to happen overnight. Okay, so if you start taking action today and do exactly what I'm teaching you, after a couple of weeks, couple of months, or even a couple of days, you can start seeing some sales coming into your account, and you will start getting paid straight into your bank account. All right, so what's the first step? The first step is that you need to have a landing page, a lead magnet page. This is very important, my friend. You need to build that list of subscribers. Now, whether you're promoting a make money online offer, a weight loss offer, whatever offer you're promoting, if you don't have a lead magnet page and you're driving direct traffic to the offer, you're just losing money and you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. So make sure you create this lead magnet page. Now, you could do this yourself if you have HTML skills. You could hire someone, or you could use a software that gives you done for you ready-made beautiful templates. I use a software called ClickFunnels. It's one of the great softwares out there that gives you hundreds of templates to create these kind of landing pages within 5 to 10 minutes. If you are interested in joining ClickFunnels and you want to see what this is all about, then you can get started with a free 14-day trial. All the links are going to be in my description box below this video. Make sure you check those links out. All right, so that's step one, lead magnet page. Step two, you will need an autoresponder. An autoresponder is when a person enters his email, this email is going to be stored in a software, a tool where you will able to send emails with a press of a button. So basically you press one button and it blasts that email out to all those email subscribers. So just imagine you drove so much traffic to a page like this and over 100,000 people entered the email. That means you have 100,000 subscribers. Now, this software tool which I'm talking about is called autoresponder. If you go into your autoresponder, you just write one quick email that will take you around 10 minutes. And you press the send button, that email goes out to over 100,000 subscribers, and instantly you start generating traffic and sales. This is called autopilot money machine. So when you have a lead magnet page, you will need an autoresponder. There are so many autoresponders out there, Aweber, GetResponse, etc. I use Aweber, and I'm gonna have the link in the description box below this video. You could check it out yourself. All right, it has, in my opinion, it has one of the best inbox delivery rate. The third thing you need to do is you need to choose a product. Now, you could choose so many products. You could go to clickbank.com and choose a product. You could go to Warrior Plus as well. So I'm in Warrior Plus right now. If I just go to offers down here, and then if I just click on all offers and I go to unrequested only. All right, and let's just search this up. So these are all the products that I haven't requested approval for. So you could see here, all right, if I just hover up, you could see this product down here was launched October the 16th, 2023. That was just 9 days ago, all right? So far generated 2,000 plus sales. The conversion rate is 10%. Okay, the refund rate is 4%. and as you can see down here, the pulse is 88.09. Now this is looking good. Okay, the conversion rate is 10%. That's actually good. Okay, generated 2000 plus say, that means there's money to be made there, and the refund rate is below 5%. That is good also. You can see some more products down here. 19% conversion rate, 20% conversion rate, generated over 1000 plus sales. All right, so it's so simple. What you do is you just click on the request button. Okay, it's going to open up a new tab. All right, and then you just want to come here and it gives you more information. So you can see here the price ranges from $17 to $306. Your commission is going to be anywhere from $8 to $1,148. All right, and then you can see the products as well. If you go to the products, it's going to tell you how much commission you're going to make, what's the product. So you can see most of the products, including all the upsell, these are all the upsells, it's going to be 50% commission. So if someone purchases everything, you will end up making up to $1,000 in commissions. Okay, so if you want to request approval, you just click on request approval. All right, and you just want to write something like, I am an affiliate, I am interested in promoting your product, please approve my request. Okay, now the question comes, how do I make high ticket commissions? So there are so many high ticket products out there. All right, now I'm going to show you one high ticket product that is changing people's lives. So you could make anywhere from $400, $500, $1,000, $2,000, and even $3,000 a day promoting this high ticket product. Okay, and I'm not just going to talk about the product, I'm going to back it up with real solid income proof from real people who are joining this program and changing their life. It's one of the best products I have come across that's changing people's lives, that's helping people make thousands of dollars in commissions every single month, promoting a high ticket offer. And guess what? The method they are teaching is something that you can make this type of money every single month without spending a single dime on traffic. That's right. Let me say that again. You're going to be making this type of money every single month without spending a single dime on traffic. This is what you're going to be taught, and this is the method that everyone is using to make this type of money. All right, now I'm going to have the link in my description box below this video. Okay, and I'm also going to have two links in my comment box below this video. One link is going to take you to this page here. Okay, so how to make $1,000 to $3,000 per day. Watch this video. This video is quite long. It's about 30 to 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, a button will pop up, okay? So what does this video talk about? This video is all about teaching you how this method works. So you have two options, basically. You could do this yourself. All right, so after watching this video, you could implement everything they're going to teach you in this video. Do it yourself. And there you go. Just do it yourself and start taking action and start getting results. That's the first option. Second option is you don't want to do it yourself. You want someone to do the heavy lifting for you. So guess what? This guy here, he has a program, a system where you can get access to, and that program has done 99% of the work for you. All done for you, plus giving you insider secrets and training on how this method works and how you can generate thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single month in commissions by generating thousands of leads every single month using free traffic. You don't have to spend a single dime on traffic. Okay, so there's going to be two options. First option, watch this video 30-40 minutes. Okay, then ask yourself, do you want to do it yourself? Fine, go ahead, start taking action. If you don't want to do it yourself, then a button is going to pop up down here below this video. Okay, you could click on that button, and when you click on that button, it's going to take you to this page here. All right, this page. Now I'm going to put two links. One link is going to take you to this training video where you can watch this video, and it's going to show you how this method works. But if you just want to get straight to the point and want to join something that's working right now, changing lives all right, and you're just interested and serious about your business, and you want to start making thousands of dollars every single month in commissions promoting high ticket offers, then there's going to be another link that's going to take you straight to this page here. Okay, so you can come to this page, watch this video, okay, and then scroll down, watch all the testimonials. Okay, these are real testimonials changing people's lives. Okay, look at this, video after video. Okay, look at all these testimonials. All right, these are all testimonials of real people changing their lives with this incredible program. I'm going to show you some more testimonials of this program in a moment. Okay, so look at this, these are all testimonials. Okay, and you're going to get a complete done for you, 99% done for you program that's going to potentially change your life. All right, remember, money loves speed. The fast action takers will always win. So you're going to have two links in my comment box below this video. If you want to watch the whole training, 40-minute training that teaches you how this works, watch this. All right, and if you are ready to join this program, then there's going to be a second link that's going to allow you to join this program, and it's going to be this link here. All right, remember, every business requires investment and taking risk. If you're someone who's not willing to take risk, if you're someone who's not willing to invest a single penny in business, I think you don't have the business mindset yet. You need to first create a business mindset. Every entrepreneur, billionaire entrepreneurs out there have invested billions of dollars to make billions online. So if you are ready and interested, you can join this program right now to take your business to the next level, make high ticket commissions. Now let me just show you, once you join this program, you're going to be asked to join a Facebook group, and let me just go to that Facebook group and show you the real results of real people. Okay, so I'm scrolling down, this is the Facebook, okay, group so far. All right, so you could see here, look at this, this was just 2 hours ago, $450 commission this person made. All right, let's just keep on scrolling down, okay, and let me show you some more results. There you go, another one. Peter made a $500 commission, okay, 14 hours ago. All right, let's just scroll down and let me show you some more results. Okay, look at this guy 1 day ago, $300 commission. All right, another one 3 days ago, $500 commissions. Okay, Peter Park again. All right, this guy, okay, $500 commission. All right, this person 1 day ago, $500 commission. Who's this person? Anna. All right, let's just scroll down. 2 days ago again, $300 commission. All right, this was 1 day ago, $300 commission. Keep scrolling. Okay, another one, $500 commission. The commissions are just rolling in. Another one 3 days ago, $300 commission. Another one, $500 commission. Results after results. Results never lie. Another $500 commission. And I could keep on showing you. And they do a live training once a week, teaching you and answering all your questions. So if you have any questions, you could get the answers to your questions every single week, once in the live sessions. And also they have a very good support desk where you can email them and they will answer all your questions. This is another one, a $300 commission. Another one, $250 commission. Okay, $250 commission, $300 commission, $500 commission. Okay, another one, $500 commission. Just keep scrolling. Another one, a $500 commission. Another one, $500 commission. Okay, I hope you can see how powerful this program is and this system is. Another one, $500 commission. All right, another one, $500 commission. Another one, $500 commission. Again, $500 commission, $500 commission. All right, I'm gonna keep on scrolling to show you some more. Look at this, all these results coming in and popping in. like clockwork. All right, check this out, check this out. Okay, this person is using the same program and generated 4,000 subscribers in the last 30 days without spending a single dime on traffic. This is what this system is all about. This program is going to show you exactly how this is all done. All right. 4,000 subscribers. If you pay someone to get that type of subscribers, you're spending at least $4,000, approximately anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000. Okay. There's another commission. There's another commission. There's another commission. $500 commission. $250 commission. Okay. Yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is another $500 commission. Guess who this person is? You probably got the answer. I'm not going to say the name. There you go. Okay, so you get the point, all right? So if you really want to crush it online, and you want to start making high ticket commissions, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and you want to get thousands of subscribers on a monthly basis without spending a single dime on traffic, then click the links in the description box below this video. In the comment box, you're going to have two links. One is going to be this training video. You could watch it, and after watching it, if you're interested in joining the program, you want 99% for all the heavy lifting to be done for you, then there's going to be a button popping up below this video after 40 minutes or 30 minutes. Just click on that link and it should take you to this page. But don't worry, I'm going to have a button for this, a link for this page as well. You could click this link and get on board, all right, and start generating commissions like this. Okay, if you do have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment. I will be answering all your questions and I want to help you change your life. Remember, this is an affiliate marketing program. It's going to show you how to promote other people's products and earn thousands of dollars in commissions, in high ticket commissions. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching my video. Click the links in the description box below this video and start generating $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $20,000 per month in commissions online without spending a single dime on traffic.